welcome back to my channel. This is Chakra. I know it's been a long time since I've sat down and filmed with you guys. And I think the last video I did was my gift one, my Christmas video one, I believe. And that was a whole, it felt like a whole year ago. So today I'm here back with you. I'm gonna be doing like a haul, kind of catching up with you about what I did and what I got this past month. Okay, so let's jump into it. Today I went to the Body Shop, the Morphe store, the NYX store, and Marshall's. I'm also going to put in a few more items that I got. It's a pretty short video because I didn't get that much because your boy is broke. Okay, so let's just get started with the things I got at my haul. So first up is my stuff from Morphe. Okay, so the first thing I got was this Morphe collection of 5 things for brows and stuff. I was planning on just getting the pomade, and I was looking, and right next to it was the brow pencils. But this whole thing comes with a highlighter, a brush, and so it's this is a deal. It's $15-18 up. Maybe I'll have the price somewhere. But yeah, this. I also got the Morphe sponge because my Real Techniques one is shitty and done. I will insert picture here, I hope, if I get it to work. I also got a few brushes. So my brush collection is kind of small. So I only got a small collection of brushes because the boy's broke. So I got a detailed liner brush that I'll show you up close. I'll probably insert a video. So I got a detailed liner brush. I got a small kind of precise crease brush, a more universal fluffy brush, and this liner just for brows because I needed a stiffer one for my pomade. Next up, we're moving to the NYX store. Okay, your boy was dumb and picked up the tester. I literally grabbed the tester and I bought it. They freaking cut the wand. I'm crying, okay? And the lady at the cashier didn't even ring me up and or say anything, so gotta return that. Now I gotta return it. I also got this glitter shimmer thing. The lady that was helping me had it on her eyes, and I was like, I kind of need it. And then I also picked up these 2 liquids, lipstick. One's a gloss, I believe. It's a green lip gloss, which I don't know. I thought it was a liquid lip, so I got. And then I got this orange lipstick that I'm kind of excited to try. Because in my collection right now, all I have are nudes and pinks. And I need to change 3 items. So here we have the vitamin C liquid peel gel. And basically you apply it to your face about once a week. You can go more, you can use it as a daily cleanser, but once a week is probably good enough. And it kind of peels away your dead skin. But yeah, I got this $23 vitamin C cleanser. Next, these were a deal, 2 for $10. So this is a tea tree toner. Me trying to be a beauty guru. And then this kind of face soap cleanser thing. It's kind of kind of identical, similar to the black soap, African black soap. But the lady that was helping us out was saying, oh, for her, her skin combo, it dried her skin out too much, so she used and prefers this more because it helps kind of cancel out and help rejuvenate your skin with that stuff. Don't quote me on that. Okay. I have 2 more items to show, and then this video is going to be done. 3 items, GK, sorry. I also picked up this kanken backpack in this orange shade. It's the original size. It looks hella small on me, but I really love the color a lot, so I got it. I'm probably gonna take it to school this year. I'm a senior. Catch me wearing my kanken backpack. I also got a planner. Like I said, I'm a senior and I like to keep myself organized and accountable for stuff. So a planner helps me do this. This is just from Marshall's. A lot of their planners and stuff are really cheap and really cool. The great designs too. This one just happens to be a monthly planner. I was considering about getting like the weekly and monthly planner, but that's just way too extra and I'm not trying to live my extra life. Lastly, I got some fila pants that I thrifted the other day, and I just wanted to include the video because I thought it would be kind of cool and fresh to show about my haul, because my haul is like super small. But I got it at Out of the Closet, which is near my house, and it was priced at $18, but I was like, you know, it's fila, like it's probably worth it anyway. But it came with a jacket apparently, but when I found it, it didn't have the jacket. So the lady at the cashier was like, oh my god, you know, it's fine, we'll just give you $8 for it if you don't want the jacket. I was like, oh yes, steal. So I got these pants for $8, and hopefully I have a picture of them. I probably don't, but I'll probably have a picture of me trying them on here. Okay, sorry that my uploads have been really bad. I just came back from a trip from overseas in Cambodia. I have 2 previous videos if you want to check them out. Me going to Mandolkari and Kampong Cham, and then my video of me going to the wedding that my parents and I got invited to. Hopefully I can sleep, post some more before summer ends. It's like mid-August, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. Hopefully I can get a video of my vlog going to San Francisco next week. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all 46 of you for watching my videos and being subscribed. It really means a lot to me. This is it for me, Chakra. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you'd like to see next.